Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this video, that means the shop update has now gone live. Usually when I do a shop update video, I do a video like this along with it, basically just showing you all the things that I have in stock, all the things that are coming in the shop update, that sort of stuff, so you can see them kind of closer and just have a little bit of a video for it. I don't know, I just think it's kind of nice to see the things that you may be wanting to purchase or just have a little look at. I like to watch these videos to get inspiration for my shop updates and that sort of stuff, and just like collection videos and that sort of thing. So even if you're not buying these like things from my shop, then kind of looking through them is always kind of fun, isn't it? But before I get started though, I do want to say that I do have a coupon code which is valid for today only until midnight UK time, and that coupon code is Studio Vlog 10, and that is going to give you 10% off your order from orders over £22 for 2022. So all orders over £22 can get 10% off using the code Studio Vlog 10. Hopefully that makes sense. So all of that will be on screen and in the description down below as well. There'll also be a link that you can click through, and you haven't got to put that code into, you know, the checkout if that's a little bit easier. But yeah, Studio Vlog 10 for 10% off on all orders over £22. I have got a huge load of bundles for this one because I wanted to do like a January kind of sale situation. So I have got boxes. I've also got like the tiger boxes as well, which I spoke about in the previous videos. So the first box that I'm going to talk about is the January sale box. This one here is going to be the first ever mystery kind of box, the mystery sale box that I've ever done like this. So the big one looks kind of like this. Obviously, you will receive different things as to what is in this specific box. This is just the box that I used for the photos. For the bigger January mystery bundle box, it's got 6 prints, 7 stickers, 2 pins, and 2 washi tapes, and that's going to be for £15. You could obviously use the 10% off if you order today as well, which is crazy. Okay, but this is kind of details. So it's got 6 prints, like I said, they're all the mini size prints that I do, and yeah, you just get a random selection, one of each, and you use 6 different designs. I have a whole load of different prints, so these will vary from box to box, but you will get one kind of like, well, you will get 6 different designs, I should say. And then the stickers, they're all going to be like vinyl ones that I've ordered from companies. So you'll get like a clear one in it, you'll get like a glittery one, maybe like holographic, and then a couple of other ones. But they are going to be ones that I've ordered from companies, not homemade ones. So they're going to be like waterproof vinyl stickers. And like I said, you've got 7 different designs. For the pins, you will get one from the shrimp collection, one from the Pigs Bakery collection in this box. And then for the washi tapes, you will get just 2 random washi tapes. Again, they will be different. There'll be no duplicates in the box, and it is going to be a mystery random selection, so you can't choose what pins, what washi tape, what stickers, and that sort of stuff. But because I'm obviously pre-packing all of these, that's obviously made it a lot easier for me to do that, to save time that way, and then to make them at a cheaper price. So yeah, hopefully that all makes sense. That one there is the like a bigger one, like I said, and all the prints and the stickers and stuff are like packaged up like so you can see the little bag back there. They're going to be in this little bag, and then the like pins and the washi tape are just going to be plunked on top of that with some pink shredded tissue paper, and that's all going to look very nice. Then for a slightly smaller January mystery sale box, this one here is at £10, and this one here is pretty much the same situation, except you'll get 4 art prints, 5 stickers instead of 7, you'll get 1 pin, and you'll get 1 washi tape. So 11 items in total. The last one had 17, and this one here is going to be for £10. Again, the prints and the stickers situation are going to be in these little bags all bundled up, and then just the pin and the washi tape will be put on top of that. If you order anything else like a charm or like you know, a keychain, that sort of stuff, it can be packaged in the box, and then you won't have to pay extra shipping, which is even better. So next up for the boxes is the tiger box. This one here is the biggest one. I've only got 3 of these available. For the January sale ones, I've got 10 of each. That's all I have, and that's all I will be selling at that price. And like I said, they're all kind of ready to go, ready to rumble. But for the tiger boxes, they're even more limited. So I've got 3 of this box. There won't be any more made than this. It just is what it is. So inside the bigger one, we have the kind of print, which is a nice like glossy one. As you can see, I never usually do glossy. I usually do like matte or velvet, but I really like that one. So we've got the mini print, we've got the tiger pin, which I absolutely love. I've shown this a few times, like especially in the DIY video where I kind of showed me making these, and they're just packaged like so. They are so cute, so nice. And then obviously on the back there we have the rubber pin and the metal kind of pin back that I usually put in. This got 2 stickers in. These ones here are handmade vinyl ones, which I've done myself, and they have the holographic kind of like glitter flakes on them, like in a little rainbow. As you can see, the yellow one there just says 2020, and then the pink one is just the same kind of tiger from the print. But I just love those, and they'll be perfect to put like on a notebook or like on the back of like a phone case or something. And then in this specific big one as well, we have this keychain, and then we have a tiger charm. So the tiger charm looks like so cute. I absolutely love these. Again, I showed how to make these in that same video with the pin. It's gonna be hard to focus a second. There it is, just a little tiny tiger head pin with the little stripes and stuff on. Absolutely love that. And the keychains are exclusive to this box. So that's why I've only got 3, because I only have 3 of these keychains made, and I'm not going to be making any more. So they are the stamp style ones. On one side we have the purple one with a little hand painted tiger just there to match the rest of the box, and then on the back it says tiger and 2022 on a pink background. Absolutely love that. So this one here is the biggest one. I also have them so that you can just get it, say, with here, like with the pin. So you get the pin, the 2 stickers, and then the art print, or instead of the pin you can have the charm. So I've done that as an option as well. I am going to be doing a pre-order on some more of these pins because I really enjoyed making them. So there is going to be a made to order section, and that's going to take like an extra week to ship. So if you want it quicker, then it will be in the box situation, and it's a lot cheaper to obviously get it, like, you know, the tiger pin, the 2 stickers, and the print in the box than it is just to get it by itself. But yeah, I'll open that just in case. And obviously, like I said, I do have the tiger charm box, which just has the charm in. So yeah, I've also done a little bundle flat mail, just in case you're in a different country and you don't want to, you know, spend loads on shipping and that sort of stuff, because I understand that shipping can be quite expensive. I am going to be doing a little bundle with the glossy print and the 2 little stickers there as a little bundle, and the shipping is cheaper, and then you can add stickers and stuff on. So long as it goes through in flat mail, I can send it for you. Well, I can send it to you for cheaper. So now I'm going to run through all of the other things that aren't boxes, and like, so like charms and keychains and some random pins and stuff that I've made, like I usually do on my shop updates. I'll give you kind of like an overview on my desk right now so you can look through them a little bit better. And yeah, hopefully you're enjoying the shop update. Okay, so bringing you in just a little bit closer like I usually do, this is the box where I've kind of like sorted all of the keychains and everything out. So looking inside of this, I'll just run you through all of the kind of new things that I have. So I do have like just a couple of little charms and stuff which I collected myself from previous boxes, which I did keep, but I'm just gonna let those go. So the marshmallow charm, I've got a little lily pad one, I've just got a few little odd other few bits like a big keychain and that sort of stuff. Nothing wrong with them at all. They're completely brand new. I just kind of usually keep one left over, but I actually had duplicates for them, so yeah, that's why I'm letting those ones go. Anyway, so I'll start with charms because why not? The first charms that I have, these are probably one of my favorites, and I might make these kind of like the charm situation for next month. So they're just these little wands. They do have wooden bases, like the actual little sticks are wood, so they're definitely going to be a little bit more fragile, and I would recommend these to be display pieces only, but I love them. I've got a purple and a blue one. The ones here are the ones that you're going to receive. I haven't made any more, and those are just the ones that are on my shop. These ones here are the new charms I have for this shop update. So I have these 2 little like jam jars. They have a little strawberry on this pink one here. It just says jam on the back there with a little white lid. These 2 have silver findings on. This one here is just a little lilac one with a little grape on the side, and it says jam on the back. I have this little milk carton. These are all one of the kind, by the way. These are exactly the ones that you will receive. Again, it's got the silver kind of findings on, just pink all the way around. And then I've got this little random mushroom guy that I've painted up in this mint colour with the pink. It's got little lilac lines on, and yeah, the cute face up there. And this one here has gold findings. This charm actually matches perfectly with this keychain, a chunky mushroom boy painted up all in the pastel colours as well. I adore this, matches my nails, and yeah, absolutely love that. Again, the mushroom keychain is one of a kind as well. Most of these things are one of a kind, actually. I have a little milk carton here, little keychain again with silver finding. It does have little hearts on the back, which I just painted on. Again, everything is covered in the usual glitter UV resin, which I love, and one of a kind. It does have a heart cheeks, which I really, really like. I did that because obviously it's Valentine's Day in like 3 weeks time, so yeah, I just put on heart cheeks. With Valentine's Day in mind again, I painted up this little toast here to be a little bit Valentine's Day's daisy. It does have a little heart yoke and heart cheeks again, and it's really, really chunky, this one. This one is probably like my chunkiest keychain I have on this one. Another little pair of keychains I have are these little kind of Game Boy game console little kind of keychains. The packs just have little hearts on with, again, the iridescent glitter kind of all over. And yeah, they took me forever to paint all the little details on, but really, really enjoyed it. They are on the thinner side, these two, but yeah, really, really like them compared to, like, say, the toast one. They're a lot thinner, but if you don't like chunky keychains, then maybe these ones here are the ones for you. I have put little bows on the keychains here. These are going to be removable. I haven't glued them down in place. The bows on the charms, however, they are glued into place, you know, like on the little ones. But these ones here, you can remove them if you want to, because I haven't glued them down. You can also glue them down if you want to, but I've just kind of left that option open. And then the last keychains that I have to show you in this box are just these stamped ones, which they're kind of double-sided, so that the same pattern is on either side, and it's just got a smiley face on the heart and then just like a meh face. I have 3 available of these, just kind of like as a little kind of Valentine's Day keychain, because I'm not going to be doing another update until after Valentine's Day now, so these are kind of the only ones that I have available. But really, really love them. Love the stamp style ones. They take me forever to kind of sculpt this shape and obviously paint both sides and stuff, but yeah, really love them. Again, these are thinner ones, so they're not quite as chunky on the keys, but they're just perfect to add a little bit of a touch. And they have the gold keychain on there as well. And then obviously, because I have 3, you can obviously just like buy 2, have a little matching pair or whatever, or just the one. But yeah, those are the keychains that I have. And then for the random pins, I have the brains. So I spoke about this in a recent video, again, when I was just showing behind the scenes of me making stuff, that I made 3 brains. There's the other one. There they are. They all have like little squiggles and stuff on. They're all kind of individual. You could choose 1, 2, or 3, and you'll receive the exact one. Then I also have these 3 pins, and we've got a blueberry, a star, and a little pastel banana. These are one of the kind. Again, you're going to receive the exact same one from this. I just love them. Love them all. They have the little rubber ones, and they will have a metal one in a little plastic bag as well, like all my other pins do. Just kind of like, let me find another one that's packaged up. This little tiger keychain here, just be packaged up like that. And then you'll receive obviously the rubber one and the metal one, so they're interchangeable depending on what you like. Anyway, that is the end of today's video. I hope you have enjoyed looking through all of the things that I have in today's shop update. Like I said, I do have that coupon code, which is Studio Vlog 10, which will get you 10% off any orders over £22 for today only. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you very soon for another video.